Opening the airway. Check for spontaneous signs of breathing. All right, good. Breathe out. Check what's up. Okay. All right.
Day 3. The last day of lifeguard training will start off with an opportunity for trainees to ask questions on what they have learned. This is a great time to review some of the skills learned over the first 2 days of the course. After the question and answer session, trainees will split back up into their groups and learn how to care for spinal-related injuries. After lunch on day 3, it is time to put it all together. Trainees will be put into smaller groups for practical test-out scenarios. These scenarios are designed to test the group and the individual on their ability to respond and work together to provide care to a guest in distress. Trainees must display their ability to respond according to their training in a professional manner. After test-outs are completed, trainees will change out of their swimwear and into dry clothing to take the written lifeguard exam. The exam is multiple choice. Students are required to score at least an 80% to pass the lifeguard exam. Students who do not pass the exam will be given the opportunity to schedule a time to retake the exam. Upon passing the lifeguard training class, a trainee will be transferred from a lifeguard in training to the position of the certification license they earned. Lifeguards are required to attend 4 hours of in-service training at the water park every month during the operating season to maintain an active license.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You will have fun, you will make friends, you will make mistakes, but you will learn to work together to make it work. It takes dedication, practice, and teamwork. The lifeguard training class will teach you a rewarding skill set you will take with you the rest of your life. Be bold, be elite.
Be